Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Several pioneer proponents of Indian modern history have been discussed along with some important MCQs. Again, we have come with some MCQs based on the life of Noven painter Jamni Rai, who was the famous pupil of Avinendranath Tagore. Let's begin with the first question. Which one of them is our correct statement? He was one of the famous pupils of Avininath Tagore. His painting was influenced by Kalighat Pat or painting. Kalighat painting. Which option is correct? Option A only one, option B only two, option C both, and option D none. And right option is option C. Both is correct statement. He was famous pupils of Avininath Tagore and his painting influenced by Kalighat painting. Now moving to second question. Which option is incorrect? Be careful. He shifted from Western to Bengali tradition of painting. He painted the mother and child painting. Which option is incorrect? Option A only one, option B only two, option C both, and option D none. Mark the incorrect option, and correct option is option D, because both is correct, and correct answer is option D. Now moving to third question. Which paintings have been painted by Jamni Roy? Manasa, the snake goddess; second, two cats holding a large prawn; and third, boating. Option is only A, only first and second, option B only second and third, option C only first and third, and option D all. Mark the right option, and option D is correct because all three have been painted by Jamni Roy. Now moving to second last question. Who called himself as a Patua? Patua was a painting communities or Hindu communities in Bengal region. And option A Avninath Tagore, option B Raja Ravi Verma, option C Jamni Roy, and option D Nandlal Bose. Which option is correct? Option C is right because Jamni Roy preferred himself as a Patua who belonged to Bengal region. Now moving to fifth and last question. Which works have been painted by Jamni Roy? First, Ramayana; second, dual cats with one crayfish; and third, bride and two companions. Which option is correct? Option A only first, option B only first and second, option C only second and third, and option D all. Mark the right answer with right option. Be careful before marking your answer, and option D is correct because all three have been painted by Jamni Roy. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers. Please follow our initiative, liking our videos and subscribing our channel to Last Mile Approach.